Hey, Natural Method YouTube. Does your eyes want to escape from your face? Has your sinuses caved under the pressure of life? If you are suffering from silent sinus syndrome, I'm going to show you how to ease the symptoms. Imagine how much better you will feel when the pressure is gone. Let's get started. Massage your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place both hands on your eyes and massage it outward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go for it. You need to massage it strongly. 5. Massage the bottom of your eyes outward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage in a clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With your fingers and tap at the bottom of your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push it up and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push strongly. 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop your hands down. With your fingers at the bottom of your cheekbone and tap it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push firmly into the bottom of your cheek. You will feel the tension. 5. Push it up and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And drop your hands down. With your fingers again and push it at the bottom of your eyes. Push it in and open your mouth wide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open your mouth as wide as you can do it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Push it in and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stretch to the tension point. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch back and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Drop your hands down. Blink your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please follow my pace and blink firmly. 5. Place both hands on your eyes and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And drop your hands down. Don't forget to get your free case study on how I breathe better and get rid of congestion. Click here.